Alright guys, welcome back to another video here. We have another 3 trucks that I'm going to try to get through this little trail right here. This first one, kind of similar to that first truck in the last video we used, but has a little bit more goodies on it. So I don't see a problem with this one at all, getting through. So let's go on and start the little area we got going on over here. This truck isn't too fast, but it'll still get the job done. Slow down a little bit, going a little too fast. Go through the mud. Bounce around, bounce around. Watch out for the rocks. Rocks will easily mess us up here. Break things very quickly. Almost to the end here. Turn right here. A little sharp turn down the hill. And right back to the beginning. Alright, let's try truck number 2. Alright. For our second vehicle, we have a little Jeep here. This one should be doing it pretty easily too. No problems at all. Let's get it going. This one's not as fast as the truck, but it's still just as capable. These big tires. Slow and steady wins the race, am I right? Go through the mud, through the dunes, over the rocks. Not a problem. Let's probably take this turn a little bit better than the first time. Yeah, a lot better. Oh, no. That was unlucky. Can I save it here? No. Oh, recovered it. Let's go, almost there to the finish. Alright, vehicle 2 made it. Let's try vehicle 3. Alright, here we have vehicle 3. It's sort of a SUV, Ford Explorer kind of thing. Not the quickest, but I think we can do it with this one pretty easily. Actually, this thing does have a little bit more power than I anticipated. This is making light work of this. It's like a bullet. Oh, yikes. Oh, no, we're good. This is why sometimes more power doesn't always equal better on this kind of thing. You get into more tricky situations by going way too fast with this stuff. And you'll tip over. Don't want to make the same mistake we did last time. And right through. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Come back next time.